They would ring the doorbell, be let in, and then we have to trust that they're going to walk into the office door. It's the main hallway for the whole building. The accesses to get upstairs, downstairs, to every wing are through this main hall right here. We would have a new office built out in front. When a parent would come in, they could check in, and then we would open up the inside doors to allow them to come into the building. And that way we would have a good idea at all times of who's in the building, where they're supposed to go, and then what their reason for being here is. Art room and music room are probably 8 to 10 feet below the regular part of the building. There's a stairwell that goes down to them. And there is then at the bottom of the stairwell a steep ramp that goes the rest of the way to the rooms. We have no way of having a kid that would be in a wheelchair, or a staff member that's in a wheelchair or on crutches or anything like that, to be able to easily access those classrooms. Prop S, the way that would change it is that we would get a more level ramp, and then also a lift chair that would be able to move down to the bottom of those steps. The parking spots that would be accessible for someone with a handicap tag are on an incline on the side of the building over here. And even though they could get out of their car on a somewhat flat or wide space, we still have curbs everywhere because the building was built in 1968. And so conventions have just changed. We don't have sidewalk cutouts. We don't have slight grades or small grades to be able to easily move up and down. There is very limited parking lighting. I would say we probably have 3 or 4 UE poles on the campus.